YUNGKHAM IRABOT today took oath as the MLA of WANGKHEI constituency. The swearing-in ceremony was held at Manipur Legislative Assembly. State Assembly Speaker YUNGKHAM administered the oath to IRABOT. The 48-hour general strike by Panchayat institutions (PRIs) was near total in parts of valley districts. The strike received a very good response at Haurang Sabal, Tera and Teralukam Lerak of IMPHAL West. A near-total ban was also observed at various parts of the state today. Security was beefed up to thwart unwanted incidents at vulnerable spots. PRIs of 6 valley districts have demanded release of MGNREGS funds, second installment of 15 Finance Commission honorarium for Panchayat functionaries for the period from October 2019 to March 2021, and also implementation of National Electronic Fund Management System (NEFMS). Panchayat Bhavan supporters blocked IMPHAL Dimapur Road at Khongampat, Faidinga and Tendongyang. IMPHAL West Upadhyaksha L. Bobby also took part in the road blockade. A team of technical JDO officers led by Journal Education Officer JDO Sokulun Baite paid a surprise inspection visit to government and private schools at Moray today. BRP Technopal Apau Serto and CRP Technopal M. Joy Singh were also present during the inspection visit. India took only 95 days to administer 13 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine, the fastest country to do so, the Union Health Ministry said today. The US took 101 days to administer 13 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine, while China took 109 days to cross the same number, it said. The cumulative number of COVID-19 vaccine doses administered in the country has reached 13 crore 1,19,310 with 29,90,197 vaccine doses being given in a span of 24 hours, according to data updated at 7 a.m. 8 states Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, West Bengal, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala 59.33% of the total doses given so far in the country, a media report said. New cases of coronavirus infection in India were recorded above 2 lakh for the second day today, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 1,42,91,917 according to the Union Health Ministry data. The COVID-19 active caseload is 15,69,743, which now comprises 10.98% of the total infections. According to reports, the recovery rate has increased to 87.80%, the data stated. A total of 2,17,353 new infections were registered in a day, while the death count increased to 1,74,308 with 1,185 daily new fatalities, the data updated at 8 a.m. showed. Manipur's COVID-19 total infection tally now has increased to 29,869 with 94 new cases registered in the past 24 hours. The fresh cases were from IMPHAL West, IMPHAL East, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Kakching, Senapati, Churachandpur, Ukhrul, Tengnopal and Tamenglong districts. A 29-year-old male from Thoubal succumbed at Thoubal District Hospital in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to 378, said the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. The state's COVID-19 active cases are 385, while 29,106 persons have been recuperated so far. The recovery rate stands at 97.44%. A team of LILONG police, including women personnel, arrested 3 people, including a woman, at LILONG BAZAR last night for defying night curfew imposed by the Manipur government to contain the escalating COVID-19 cases in the state. The incident happened when a group of people who were gathering refused to leave the place despite repeated efforts by the cops to disperse them. They in turn used abusive languages against the cops, apart from manhandling the officer in charge of Lilong police station.